Okay, so beta, now in this page one activity is given here that you have to do yourself. Okay, so let's see what you have to do in this activity. Okay, yes, so think and write. So now let's see what is written here and what you have to do. Okay, so write the names of all the games mentioned in the lesson in the table below. Yes, now beta, here what is saying to you, here saying to you, okay, write down the name of all the games, okay, that is mentioned in the lesson, in this lesson, okay, in the table below. Okay, now beta, here downside one table is given here. Okay, so you have to mention that all games name that is you have to write games name that is mentioned in your this lesson. Okay, so here in here beta, you can see so many columns as given here. Okay, yes, so now let's see what is saying here. Make a symbol of arrow in front of those games that are played indoor. Okay, now here what is saying to us beta, here say what is saying to you, here saying to you, okay, make a symbol of arrow in the front of those games that are played indoor. Okay, so here beta, you have to make a symbol of arrow, okay, in front of that games, okay, that are played in indoors, okay, that are indoor games, those are indoor games. Okay, yet against the outdoor games, make a symbol of tree. Yes, and in front of in outdoor games, okay, you have to make a symbol of tree. Okay, yes, don't forget to write the name of players needed for the game. Yes, now here one more thing is saying to you, okay, don't forget to write the number of players needed for the game. Okay, yes, if some other things are also needed to play the game, so then write their names as well. Okay, here beta, what is saying to you, here saying to you, if some other things are also needed to play, okay, to the game, okay, then write their names. So write their names also. Okay, yes, so beta, you got it what you have to do. Okay, so now look at here downside in this box beta, one box has given here. Okay, and here four columns has given here in first column what is written here, so names of the game mentioned in the lesson. Okay, so beta, in this column you have to write down the name of that game that is already mentioned in your lesson. Okay, and you know very well which games has mentioned in your lesson. Okay, yes, now here in second column, two symbols has given here. First symbol of first is arrow, first symbol of arrow and second symbol of tree. Okay, so first symbol of arrow means that is the symbol of indoor games. Okay, and second symbol of tree means that is the symbol of outdoor games. Okay, so if that game is indoor game, so you have to put the symbol, so here you have to put the symbol of arrow. Okay, and if that is outdoor game, then you have to put the symbol of tree here. Okay, got it? Yes, now in third column, so number of players. Yes, now in this column beta, you have type of players. Okay, how many players can play in that game. Okay, yes, things needed, and if any things are needed, so you have to write down the name of that thing. Okay, means वो गेम को प्ले करने के लिए जिस भी थिंग की ज़रूरत होती है, you have to write down here that. Okay, yes, so I will give one example. So first of all beta, see in this lesson, सबसे पहले हमारा कौन से गेम का नाम है, that is hopscotch. Okay, so here in first column we will write hopscotch. Okay, now in second column, so beta, hopscotch is indoor game or outdoor game. So we know very well case hopscotch is outdoor game. Okay, yes, so here in second column we will put the symbol of tree. Okay, because that shown us outdoor games. Okay, yes, now in third column number of players. Okay, so टू इस ये जो है इसमें दो से ज़्यादा लोग खेल सकते हैं. ओके, so two or more players we can write here. Okay, now in third column things needed. So which things you needed for this game? So chalk. Okay, because ये जो hopscotch का गेम होता है वो उसको बनाने के लिए हमें chalk चाहिए. So we needed chalk. And second one marble. Okay, सॉरी मार्कर. ओके, हमें कोई मार्कर चाहिए स्टोन का, तो वी नीडेड that. Okay, so you got it. Okay, so like that beta, in this way you have to fill up this box. Okay, so you got it what you have to do here. Okay, so now on next page. Okay, so now beta, on this page also one activity is given here. Okay, that you have to do to yourself. So now let's see what you have to do in this activity. Okay, So do you play any game similar to hopscotch? Yes. Now beta here what is asking to you? Here asking to you कि do you play any game that is similar to hopscotch? What do you call it? Okay, so आप इसको क्या बोलते game? Okay, yes. So beta if you know about any game that is related with hopscotch, okay, so here you have to write down the name of that game, okay, and also you have to draw picture. Okay, one box is given here beta, so in this box you have to draw the picture of that game, okay, that is similar to the hopscotch. Okay, so this is beta, it is you have to do yourself. Okay, so you got it what you have to do. Okay, so now next is remember and write. Okay, so now let's see what you have to do here. So, do you play some games with your family members? Which games and with whom? Yes, now here what is asking to you beta? Here asking to you, okay, do you play some games with your family members? Yes or no? So, of course, आप सभी अपने family members के साथ बहुत सारी game play करते होगे, right? Which games and with whom? Okay, and here you have to asking which games and with whom. Okay, so now beta one column has given here, two columns has given here downside. Okay, so in first column what is written here? Family member. Okay, and in second column what is written here? Name of the game. Okay, so beta here what you have to do, so here in first column beta you have to write down the name of family members with whom you play game. Okay, so suppose you play any game with your mother, so here you have to write down mother, and in second column name of the game. Okay, and in second column you have to write down the name of that game that you play with your mother. Okay, so beta according to you, this is your personal question, so according to you यहाँ पे सभी के answers different होंगे. According to you, you have to do this, you have to fill up this box. Okay, but if I will talk about myself, so I will give one example. So beta at my home I play Ludo with my mother. Okay, yes. So here in first column family member I will write their mother, and I know very well कि I play Ludo with my mama. Okay, so in second column name of the game I will write their Ludo because I play Ludo with my mother. So in first column I will write mother, and in second column I will write Ludo. Okay, yes. So beta as it is you have to do this. So you got it what you have to do. Okay, so now on next page. Okay, so now let's see. Now beta here on this page so many questions has given here. Okay, and we have to give the answer of these all questions. Okay, so now let's see question number 1. Do you know the name of any famous sport person in your area? Now beta here what is asking to us, what is saying to us here, asking to us, asking to you, okay, do you know the name of any famous sports person in your area? If yes, write her or his name and the game with which she or he is associated. Okay, yes. Now beta here what is asking to you, here asking to you कि do you know the name of any famous sport person in your area? If you know about them, okay, if your answer is yes, okay, so you have to write down the name of his or her here. Okay, and also you have to write here कि which she or he is associated. Okay, कौन से गेम से वो so you got it. So beta this is your personal question. Okay, so here you have to write down your answer according to you. Okay, yes, so you got it. Okay, so now next question. Okay, so now question number 2. How many games do you know which we play with a ball? Okay, write their names in the ball. Yes, now beta in this question what is asking to us, here asking to us ke how many games do you know that we play with a ball. Okay, yes, so beta we know very well there are so many games that we play with the help of ball. Okay, yes, and write their names in the ball. Yes, now beta here right side you can see one ball has given here. Okay, so here we have to write down the name of those games that we play with the help of ball. Okay, so beta we know very well now there are actually this is your personal question, so here you have to write down your answer according to you, but then too I will say what is the answer of this question. So beta we know very well now there are so many games that we play with the help of ball, like basketball, football, okay, volleyball and cricket. Okay, yes, so these all games you can write here. Okay, so you got it number 2. Okay, so now next question, that is question number 3. Okay, so now question number 3. So now let's see what is asking to us in this question. Okay, so have you heard the name of Lajja Goswami? Now beta in this question what is asking to us here, asking to us ke have you heard the name of Lajja Goswami? she also plays a ball game. Yes, now here what is saying to us? Here saying to us ke she also plays a ball game. Okay, find out which one and write its name. Okay, so here we have to find out okay which one. Okay, and here we have to write down we have to also write down the name of that game. Okay, so beta, anyone know who is Lajja Goswami? So beta, Lajja Goswami, she is a woman. Okay, and she played Commonwealth games. Okay, and in that she played and in that she is a rifle shooter. Okay, वो एक rifle shooter है. Okay, and she is also first woman inspector in sports. Okay, yes, from sports. Okay, so you got it. What is the answer of this question? Okay, so now next question, which game do you like the most? Yes, now in this question what is asking to you? He asking to you ki which game do you like the most? Okay, so this is also your personal question. Okay, which game you like most or more? So here you have to write down the name of that game. Okay, so here you have to write down your answer according to you. Okay, so you got it, beta. What you have to do in this question? Okay, so now downside, ask and write. Yes, so now let's see what you have to do here. Okay, ask and write. So find out from the elders in your family or in the neighborhood which games did they play when they were children. Yes, now here beta, what you have to do here? You have to find out the as your family or in the neighborhood. Okay, yes, and you have to write down the name of that game that they were playing in his or her childhood. Okay, yes, so you have to do this yourself. This is your also personal question. ठीक है, आपको ये खुद से आपको राइट डाउन करना है, आपके फैमिली में से या फिर आपके नेबर्स में से जो भी एल्डर्स हों. You have to ask them ki which game they were playing in his or her childhood. And here so many spaces has given here, so many blanks has given here. So you have to write down the name of that games. Okay, that they were playing in his or her childhood. Okay, so you got it, beta, what you have to do in this question. Okay, so now on next page. Okay, so now let's see what we have to do here. Okay, so think and write, match the riddles with the pictures. Yes, now here we have to match the riddles with the pictures. Write the name of the game in the given space. Yes, and also we have to write down the name of that game in the given space. Okay, so here beta we can see space has also given here. Okay, so we have to read these lines. Okay, and after that which game is that, we have to write down the name of that game in this space. Okay, in this box. Okay, yes, so now let's see. So number one, small and colored are these glass balls. To win the game you have to aim with them all. So everyone guess which game is this. Small and colored are these glass balls. Okay, जो glass balls होते हैं वो small होते हैं but colored होते हैं. To win the game you have to aim with them all. So beta, this is which game is this? So this is Marvel. Okay, yes, so here we will write Marvel. Okay, so you got it. Okay, so now number one, here beta, downside you can see Marvels are given here of different colors. Okay, yes, so now next, so it has no wings but it can fly. Yes, so you have to guess here. Okay, it has no wings but then too it can fly high up in the sky. So now guess beta, what is this? So we know very well which game is this. So that is kite है ना. Yes, on kite festival. Okay, kite festival पे हम जो है पतंग उड़ाते हैं ना. Yes, so this is kite. So here we will write kite. Okay, yes, so now next here you can see beta, picture has also given here. Okay, yes, so we know very well कि it has no wings then too it can fly है ना, high up in the sky. Okay, yes, so here we will write kite. Now next, king, queen, ace and jack, 52 of them make a pack. Yes, now guess which game is this. Which game is this? King, queen, ace and jack, ये सारे लोग उसमें होते हैं. 52 of them make a pack. So we know very well which game is this. This is card game, right? Yes, so now here in the last you can see cards are there now. So this is card game. Okay, so here we will write card game. Okay, now next, Fours and sixes, if you can get a century is sure, I can bet. Okay, so now which picture is this, which game is this beta? Four and sixes, if you can get a century is sure, I can bet. So we know very well that is cricket. Okay, yes. So now here in here beta picture has also given a ball. Okay, so this is that is cricket, so here we will write cricket. Okay, now right side. So if you land on a snake, do not frown. In this game, you go up and down. Yes. So now beta here guess which game is this? If you land on a snake, do not frown. बच नहीं पाओगे snake पे जाओगे तो. In this game, you can go up and down. Yes. So we know very well which game is that. So this is snake ladder है ना. Yes, here also picture of given of snake, right? Snake ladder. Okay, so here we will write snake ladder. Okay, so now next, on the board are squares black and white. Yes, in this game you know white and black boards होते हैं. On the squares black and white, that's the king, the queen and the knight. So which game is this beta? So we know very well chess, right? Yes, so here we will write chess. So here you know chess के कुछ यहाँ पे वो दिए हुए हैं. Okay, yes, so here we will write chess. So beta you got this, you know it is very interesting na. Yes, so here you have to write down the all names of games. Okay, yes, so now on next page. Okay, so now let's see what is asking, what is saying to us here, what is saying to you here. So beside playing, what else do you like to do? Yes, now here beta what is asking to you here, asking to you कि besides playing what else do you like to do? Okay, so you have to write the name of that. Okay, so beta this is your personal question. Here you have to write down your answer according to you because सबके answers different हो सकते हैं. Okay, but if I will talk about myself, so beside playing right now अभी तो मैं play नहीं करती हूँ, but I like to do so many things like you know reading books. Okay, dancing, singing. Okay, and you know help to mama. Okay, so these all things I like. So if I will talk about myself, so here I will write these all things. Okay, but you have to write down your answer according to you here. Okay, so you got it, what you have to do here. Okay, so now downside, let's see downside. So here one activity is given here. Okay, so now let's see what you have to do in this activity. Okay, so fill the colors. Okay, besides their work, what else do your family members do? Yes, now beta here what is saying to you here, saying to you here, asking to you कि beside their work what else do your family members do? उनके work के अलावा भी आपके जो family members है, what else do your family members do? Okay, color the pictures which show that your family members do in their free time. Okay, now here beta what you have to do here, you have to color those pictures which show that your family members do in their free time. Okay, here downside so many pictures as given here. Okay, so you have to color those pictures that your family members do in their free time. Okay, yes, if you want to add more you can write or draw in the blank spaces. Okay, yes, and if you want to add more, okay, so you can write or you can draw in the blank spaces. Here downside beta so many spaces is also given here. Okay, so if you want to add anything, if you want to write anything, then you can draw there. Okay, you can write there in that blanks. Okay, yes, so now beta so many pictures as given here. Okay, so in first picture, so अगर आपके फैमिली मेम्बर्स जो हैं ओके वो beside their work, if they doing reading, so here you have to color it. In second picture, stitching and embroidery. Okay, if anyone doing this, so you have to color this also. In third picture, one woman, otherwise we can see one girl is there, one woman is there. Okay, she is you know dancing. Okay, in fourth picture, two boys are there, and what is written there, chatting. Okay, they are doing chatting with each other. In fifth picture, looking after plants. Okay, if your family member do this, then you have to color this picture. Okay, and last one, that is collecting stamps. Okay, if your family members they do this work, so here you have to color that. Okay, so beta, this is also your personal question. Okay, so you have to do this question also according to you. Okay, yes, so beta here ये जो हमारा lesson है, okay, वो यहाँ पर फिनिश होता है. आई होप कि आप सभी को इजीली एंड अच्छे से समझ में आया हो. सो थैंक यू, बाय बाय, टेक केयर, स्टे